What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Smart View app not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, look for the Smart View app. So here click on Smart Things and then scroll down and click on Storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on Clear Cache, and to clear the app data, click on Clear Data. Now from the pop-up, again click on Delete to confirm. So after doing this, the Smart View app will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on Restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and restarting your phone will fix small software glitches. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then maybe it's a internet issue. So check your internet first if it's working or not. So to check internet, you can open a browser and load a website. If it's loading perfectly, it means your internet is working good. But if it's not working, then fix your internet. And after that, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution you can do is check for mobile updates. So to check for mobile updates, open settings, scroll down and click on click on software update, and then click on download and install, and then it will show you if there is any pending update. So if you want to update your phone, then click on download, and after downloading the latest update, your phone will start working properly and Smart View app not working issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.